Okay, tell me the whole story right from there.
Oh man, we're lucky to get this far.
Tell me the story. I'm videotaping.
Oh, okay. Well, we're looking for Fritillaria pudicans up in the snow line. And we found a ton because we're going the wrong way. And that helped. We barely made it up this high because we were sliding sideways in the snow coming up. And now we're stuck here. We're going to backtrack and go back down through that crazy snow and hopefully not slide off the edge and die. Now we're going to have to go back down that way and then go to Big and Tag all the way back down the way we came. This is a nightmare happening on a nice sunny day.
Yeah,
That's it.